These are the SKY-308 with a clear jar bottom, and they're a 7-inch heel. The link is in the description if you'd like to buy them, and I'll be reviewing them today. Hello, I'm Amanda. Welcome to Shoes of Hollywood. Today I'm reviewing the SKY-308 by Pleaser. This is a fully clear heel, which a lot of you have been asking for, so that's what we're reviewing. They come individually packaged in these little mesh bags, and this one has a totally clear base at the front. So you can see right through that. There's no separators at all in that. I'll show you the other style of Pleaser heels that we have that have the sections, and this is a square back. So you can see how it goes kind of like a triangle with a square bottom. The other one's a round. So I'll show you what the other one looks like when I'm walking around, and you can compare to see because they're a little bit different. So it just depends what sort of look you like a bit more. And then always the strap is reinforced here, so it's not going to wear out and tear through time. They're made really nicely with a lot of quality. You've got the memory foam base as well, so that'll be nice and squishy on your feet and feel really good. It's got that beautiful gold leaf printed logo as well. This is a nice little travel bag that it comes with. These are always cute. You can keep them and use them for anything. And then we've got the other one. So this is the Sky style as well. I know that your doors are a little bit wider, so I'll let you know how this one feels and fits me and what I think of that shape as well. And I'm doing a size 7, so that's my normal size. You've got the grippy heel, which is good. Let's pop these on. Adjustable strap, always great. You can fit it to your size. And then if these clear uppers are a little bit tight the first time you pop it on, you can heat them up with a hairdryer and it'll just loosen it up a bit. But obviously this is the first time I put them on, so it's a little bit tighter. And then once I've worn them for a bit, it'll mold around my feet a bit more. Pop this one on. The memory foam bottom is really good. This is probably going to be a bit tighter on my right foot because for some weird reason this foot is slightly a bit fatter. But hey, I think everyone's a little bit like that, not just me. Let me know in the comments. Do you have a weird foot? Is one a bit bigger than the other? Who knows? Maybe we'll do a whole video on that. Alright, so these are fitting pretty well. I'm not finding them too narrow or anything. Like honestly, compared to the Adore, I couldn't say that they're super narrow or anything. They're around the same sort of fit. Just letting you know, because I know finding the shoe that fits can be a little bit complicated. And they're a 7-inch heel. Pretty nice, making my legs look nice and long, I think. Feeling quite tall in these. Give it a bit of a walk. They're really easy to walk in, especially when you've got the strap around your ankle that you can adjust. So this is the other style, and as you can see, this is the Adore. We've got the separators in here, whereas the ones I'm wearing right now in the Sky, completely clear. And then this is a bit of a different shape as well. So I'll show you down when I'm sitting on the side. You can see the different shape and what the different clear uppers look like. And then I'll show you on a front view. So you can see that they're a slightly different shoe. Just so you know that when you're buying them what sort of the difference is, because I know subtle differences can make a difference. For me, this one will show a bit more light, a different light look, but I kind of like the clear heel. It looks like I'm floating a bit on air. I don't know. That's just how I feel. I'm no expert with physics or anything like that. So if you do like our videos, make sure you click in the like and subscribe button and the bell so you never miss one of our videos and you always get notified when we have new shoes in. And if you're liking these ones, these are the SKY-308 and the link will be in the description. I do love the clear heels. They really just make you feel like you're floating on air, make everything look really long. They don't cut you off at your ankles or legs or anything. very easy to walk in. They're still a 7-inch heel, but I'm finding it pretty easy. Nothing too hard about these ones. And I just love that they're clear all the way through. Probably why they're called Sky, because you're feeling like sky high. I don't know. Can you hear that siren? The police are probably after me because I'm too hot to handle. Something's on fire. It's these shoes. It's getting closer. Well, these were a super fun shoe to review for you guys. We love hearing your suggestions on any of the heels. If there's anything that you do want to see or a particular style that you're liking or want to hear more about, let us know and we can do a review for you. I'm Amanda, so if you ever want to look me up and find out more about me, my Instagram's Amanda Blanks. Or if you want to know anything more about the shoes, head to the Shoes of Hollywood Instagram. You can see me and the other girls on there and all the shoes that come in as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!